In this demonstration, we'll be reviewing IBM production versus non-production licenses. IBM products and cloud packs can be licensed in both production and non-production environments. However, the software identification and discovery signature remains the same, regardless of the environment in which the product is deployed. I want to point out that software licensing costs are generally much cheaper when deployed in non-production environments. To address this, Flexera ITAM has been extended to provide automatic identification of IBM products and Cloud Pak installations in traditional non-production environments, thereby offering visibility and licensing for both production and non-production environments. There are three key components to automatically recognizing the IBM product non-production installation using this new feature within Flexera ITAM. I'm going to walk you through that within Flexera itself. The first component we need to configure is mapping the existing inventory device roles to either production or non-production status. This can be done by navigating to Inventory, Inventory Device Roles. As you can see, there's a list of all of the inventory device roles here and a column for production. Any ones that you want considered production, you would check. By default, only the production role is set to production. Anything unchecked would be considered a non-production role. The next component that needs to be configured is the extension to the application recognition library to identify non-production installations. This is a Flexera task, and it is currently completed and managed by Flexera. Let's take a look at this. Let's go to Application and Evidence, All Applications. I've filtered on Publisher IBM and asked for it to show me anything that was labeled as a suite. As you can see, the non-production IBM applications are all now suites. If I was to open up the application, we'll take a look at this on the application record. We'll navigate to the Evidence tab and navigate to the Suites and Members tab. And so you can see the production version of this non-production application is assigned as the application for the suite. And you can see there's a tick box that says requires non-production role. If the device is labeled as non-production and we detect the production software on that, it will automatically go to a non-production application. Let's take a look at how to set those non-production device roles. I'm going to navigate to Inventory and All Inventory. I have 3 already set here, and I've filtered on the development role. Since development is a non-production role, as you saw, it was not checked. On the General tab, you'll see there is a device role. This would default to production until such time you assign this device a role, which in my case, I have assigned it the development role. So now these 3 devices should be consuming a non-production license. Keep in mind, a full inventory cycle needs to run complete before you will see this mapping result. Let's navigate and look at that currently. I'm going to go to Applications and Evidence and Installed Applications. And you can see I have filtered on non-production in Publisher IBM, and you can see now that those 3 devices, since they were marked as in a non-production role, are now going against a non-production application. This concludes my demonstration for IBM production versus non-production.